Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Zilch, a buy now pay later platform that's making serious waves in the UK fintech scene. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, how it works, why it might actually be better than some others, and what features make it unique, its pricing structure as well, the pros and cons, and then I'll wrap things up with a clear, balanced conclusion. Let's get started. Zilch was founded in London in 2018 and officially launched in the UK in 2020. Unlike traditional buy now pay later models that integrate with specific merchants, Zilch issues you a virtual MasterCard that you can use at virtually any retailer that accepts MasterCard, both online and in store. This instantly gives it a wide edge in terms of flexibility. Here's how it works. You pay 25% of the purchase upfront, and the remaining balance is split into 3 equal payments spread out over 6 weeks, and it's interest-free if you're shopping with partner retailers. If you're buying from a non-partner retailer, there's a small transaction fee added to the upfront payment, but installments remain manageable. Zilch also offers multiple account types to fit your financial status and credit history. For instance, the standard Zilch account gives you access to an average spending limit that increases over time. Zilch is geared towards users who are building or rebuilding their credits. It requires a 50% upfront payment and includes credit reporting features. On the other hand, Zilch Classic caters to those with stronger credit profiles, offering higher spending limits and more flexibility. Setting up your account is pretty straightforward. Just verify your identity, connect your debit card through open banking, and you'll be issued your virtual Zilch card almost instantly. It's a streamlined process designed for today's digital-first customers. Now let us talk about the main features of Zilch. We're going to talk about how Zilch compares to Klarna and why some people are making the switch. First up, Zilch is regulated and reports your payment history to all major UK credit bureaus. This is a big win for users who want their responsible buy now pay later usage to actually help build their credit score, something Klarna doesn't consistently offer. Second, Zilch Virtual MasterCard lets you shop anywhere, not just with a select group of partner stores. Klarna relies on direct merchant integration, so if the store isn't partnered, you can use it. Third, Zilch rewards you for paying upfront. With the Pay in One option, you earn between 2 to 5% cash back in Zilch rewards, which you can later use for purchases. Klarna doesn't offer that kind of perk for upfront payments. Also, Zilch allows in-store purchases with your virtual card through Apple Pay or Google Pay. Klarna has recently been expanding into in-store shopping, but it still feels more tailored for online use. Finally, Zilch gives you some breathing room. Does it happen that you can't make your next payment on time? Just tap snooze in the app and you can delay that payment for 4 extra days. No interest, no late fees, just a bit more flexibility when you need it. And as mentioned earlier, you can spread your payment over weeks, up to 6 weeks. Also, Zilch connects to your bank accounts to access your affordability, helping prevent overspending and ensuring responsible lending. Now let us talk about the pricing. Zilch is mostly interest-free, especially when shopping with partner retailers. For non-partner retailers, there's a small fee added to your first payment, and is usually a percentage of the purchase amount, but the installments remain fee-free. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Zilch. First, the pros. Works almost everywhere, not just select retailers. It helps build your credit score. Cashback for paying upfront. There are no interest or late fees. In-store use through tap and pay. And flexible options like snooze and Zilch. How about the cons of using Zilch? There's a small transaction fee that applies with non-partnered retailers. Requires access to your bank account via open banking. Some users have reported slow customer support and refund delays, but that is not always the case. But overall, the pros heavily outweigh the cons, especially if you mostly shop at partner retailers or you value flexibility and credit building features. So is Zilch the best buy now pay later option out there? It might just be, especially if you're looking for something that goes beyond basic installments. Zilch offers broad usability thanks to its MasterCard integration, cashback rewards for upfront payments, and most importantly, credit reporting that can help build your score over time. It's easy to use, highly flexible, and designed with responsible borrowing in mind. That is something we don't see enough of in the buy now pay later space. Of course, it's not perfect. If you're not comfortable linking your bank account, or if you often shop with non-partner retailers and you want to avoid a transaction fee, it might not be ideal for you. And if customer service speed is a deal breaker, you may want to keep an eye out for those issues. But overall, Zilch is a well-rounded, transparent, and forward-thinking option in the buy now pay later market. It's great for everyday users who want both flexibility and rewards without the financial risk of interest or penalties. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore PayPal Pay in 4, ClearPay, and Klarna. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.